Okay, in this example, in this lesson, we're going to learn how to multiply by multiplying with partial products. Okay, so when we do the regular multiplication, for example, if we have something like 24 times 7, 4 times 7 is 28, right? 7 times 4, 2 is 14, plus 2 is 168, right? We do this because we know that the ones is in the ones place and the tens is in the tens place. And we first start with the ones place. 7 times 4 is 8, which is 28. And 7 times 2 is 14, plus 2 is 16. However, there's another way in which you can do it, right? And the way we do it is by saying, well, 24 is 20 plus 4, right? And 7 is 7, right? So we do 20 and 4, right? 20 times 7 is 140. And 7 times 4 is 28. And when we do it, we add it together. So this becomes 168, right? Let's do another example. Let's do 32 times 5. In the traditional example, 2 times 5 is 0, right? 5 times 3 is 15, plus 1 is 16, which gives us 160, right? If we do it like this becomes 32, which is 30, plus 2 and 5, which is 5, so this becomes 30 and 2 over 5. 5 times 30 is 150, and 5 times 2 is 10, so 150 plus 10 is 160. But what happens, for example, if we have a more complicated question? Like, for example, like say we have a 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication problem. Like if we have something like 32 times 16, right? In the traditional sense, we would do 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 3 is 18, plus 1 is 19. Move the 0 down, 2 times 1 is 2. 3 times 1 is 3. Right, so 2 plus 0 is 2. 9 plus 2 is 11. 3 plus 2 is 5. It's because it's 512. However, let's try doing it using the partial products. So this becomes 32, and this becomes 10 and 6. So 30 times 10 is 300. 10 times 2 is 20, which becomes 320. 6 times 30 is 180. 6 times 2 is 12, which becomes 192. And then this becomes 0 plus 2 is 2. 9 plus 2 is 11. 3 plus 1 is 5, which gives us the same answer. Basically, in a nutshell, the partial products method is just a way in which, there's another way in which you can multiply, numbers. Some people find the traditional method to be easier, and some people find the partial product to be easier. In my opinion, in practice, for me, I usually tend to use the partial product method. However, it's up to whoever wants to use it to, for their own preferences. Thank you, and have a good day. Bye-bye.